I sold my old bike stand during a move not too long ago and I needed a new one. So I've ordered one up. It's from Amazon. It was $85 and it's pretty highly rated. So we'll check it out and see what we get. All right, so we have a box within a box within a box. It's really well packaged. So I got the champagne colored one. I'll show it to you guys here. Pretty nice. All the instructions are in German. Paint that it has on is really nice, actually. This is the clamp for the bike. I mean, it's pretty big. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, it's got these teeth here. They're all plastic, but they're pretty pronounced. And it kind of locks into place there, which is pretty cool. And you can kind of rotate your bike around on the stand. And yeah, when you go to unlock it, just be careful, press down, and it kind of shoots out. So watch your fingers when you do that. So this is a tool that will hold your handlebars straight, which is really handy. I've actually had situations where I wish I had a tool that would do that, and yeah, it comes with one. Okay, here we go. Something's happening. This can kind of slide up, which is quite handy, and you can store it away. It'll fold up for you. Assembly has been pretty easy so far, super basic. There's a pin here that you pull out, you unscrew, and this guy you toss in here, put the pin back through. Put this nut back on the end. So super simple assembly, like wow, I'm actually surprised how easy that is. Let's see, and this, wow, okay. It does come up pretty high, let's see. And it has like a stop once you get to the end of its reach. So this probably comes up to about 5.5 feet, I would say. So if you get this bike stand and the head of the bike stand is backwards, all you have to do is, when you get the bike rack, loosen this screw here with the included Allen key. Loosen that and you can rotate everything. This plastic piece here has to come up and it unlocks these, I guess these shafts here, and you can rotate the head around. So that's what you got to do when you get it. It will come with the head backwards. So you can fix it quickly and easily. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm gonna tighten the screw back up here. Oh, that's nice. And we'll clamp her down. Hey, what do you know? So see how the handlebars kind of move around? I think that tool to hold the handlebars still is gonna be great, because sometimes, you know, you're working on your bike and the handlebars are turning and they're in your way, or they'll kind of bump into you a bunch of times. So to have the handlebars locked in position is pretty nice. So now I gotta figure out how to use this handlebar holder thing. As I mentioned before, these instructions are all in German. What's funny is they gave me 2 sets of instructions, but they're the exact same instructions in German. So let's see if we can figure out how this works. So essentially, this end kind of straps onto the handlebars, right? And then this end straps onto the bike stand itself. And that's how it holds the handlebars stable. So those are not easy to put on. I had to really kind of push hard to get these straps on there. And yeah, dude, this is like not easy to put on here. You really gotta like force it on there. I don't know if those holes will stretch a little bit in time, but this is not ideal for the handlebar stabilizer. It works. Oh, look at that. Pretty handy. This is just a lot of work. I might use it if I'm gonna do a big project, but even then, if I need to take it off and put it back on, I don't know. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna use this handlebar stabilizer. It's kind of a pain to put on. But yeah, super stoked, guys. A great bike rack. So far, so good. I'm gonna make another video on it after 2 or 3 months of using it to let you guys know if anything sort of breaks on me or wears out or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. And if you guys are interested in the bike rack, go check it out on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Later. You.